Now, caste politics peaks in Bengal ahead of assembly elections. TMC is all set to release its manifesto today, and as per the sources, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will make a major announcement in 4 key caste groups under the other backward classes category. BJP, meanwhile, has said that they will include OBC castes, Mahishya, Teli in reserved category there, if voted to power at all. Here's a report on what's expected in the manifesto.
पाँच साल में हम सोनार बांग्ला बनाकर आपको दे देंगे मित्रों, 5 साल।
ममता जी, आपका जाना तय है और यहाँ पर महिलाओं का संरक्षण भी होगा, सुरक्षा भी मिलेगी और इज्जत के साथ आगे बढ़ेंगी।
As identity politics takes center stage in Bengal politics, both TMC and BJP seem to be playing the caste card to woo voters. Ever since she came to power, Mamata Banerjee has gone out of her way to dole out sops to the Matua community, considered an influential vote bank for the party. Taking a leaf out of Mamata's book, BJP too began to pander to the Matuas by promising them citizenship. In fact, Prime Minister Modi began his 2019 Lok Sabha campaign in Bengal by touching the feet of Matua matriarch Binapani Devi at the religious headquarters of the sect in Thakurnagar. While the BJP won the Bonga seat with Matua support, the party is yet to fulfill its promise of implementing the CAA. Meanwhile, TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee decided to now woo another community to garner maximum support, the Mahishya. Sources have told India Today that Mamata Banerjee will make a major announcement to include 4 key caste groups under the other backward classes category. Among them, the Mahishya, who form a substantial chunk of the population in Purbo Medinipur district, will be the most significant addition. Mamata is herself contesting the Nandigram seat from the district which the community dominates. In its manifesto, TMC is going to promise OBC status to Mahishya along with few other caste groups who were part of the list recommended by the Mandal Commission for inclusion as OBCs. Mamata's big OBC push comes at a time when a large section of Hindu OBCs, especially in the Jangal Mahal region, have thrown their weight behind the BJP, evident from the 2019 Lok Sabha poll results. Preempting the TMC move, the BJP President JP Nadda on Tuesday made an impromptu announcement similar to what the TMC proposes in its manifesto: OBC reservation of Mahishyas and Telis.
अब हमारी सरकार आएगी, आयोग बैठाएंगे और आयोग बैठा करके मंडल कमीशन में जो जातियां लिखी हैं उनको सम्मान दे करके इन लोगों के लिए भी हम प्रयास करेंगे कि इनको भी मुख्य धारा में जोड़ा जाए। इस तरीके का हम काम करेंगे।
Experts say Mahishya are an influential caste group dominant in Purbo Medinipur and has substantial presence in districts like Howrah, Hooghly, South and North 24 Pargana, and can be a significant factor in at least 50 seats in South Bengal. With Indrajit Kundu, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.